In this video, we will be sharing 10 travel hacks that you probably haven't heard of. These are awesome time and money-saving travel tips that are going to make your next trip a whole lot easier. Let's get into it. Firstly, to save money on your next flight, consider flying to a nearby airport. Sometimes flying into an airport that's a little bit out of the way can save you hundreds of dollars. A packing cube is a great way to keep your clothes organized and compressed in your suitcase. And if you're flying with a carry-on only, it's a great way to save space. Search for flights to your destination on Google Flights and then see if any of the nearby airports have cheaper flights. You can often find great deals on entire homes or apartments by using this service, especially if you're traveling with a group of people. It is a great way to save time and eat a home-cooked meal after a long day of traveling. You'll often find that you can get the same items for less money at a local market. Plus, you'll be supporting local vendors. This can be a great way to stay connected, and it is often much cheaper than using your phone internationally. Number 2. If you're traveling internationally, do some research to see if there are any SIM cards or eSIM cards that you can buy that will give you free or discounted data in the country you're revisiting. For example, if you're traveling to France, Germany, Italy or Spain, you can get a free eSIM card with unlimited data from a provider. This is a great way to avoid any cultural faux pas, and it shows respect to the locals. Number 3. Use a packing cube to keep your clothes neat and wrinkle-free while you're traveling. Number 4. Save money on accommodation by using a house or apartment rental service. A stroller is a great way to get around, especially if you have young kids. Many airlines allow you to gate check the stroller for free, so you don't even have to pay to check a bag. Number 5. If you're tight on time at your destination, consider using a food delivery service to bring food to your hotel or Airbnb. Number 6. Save money on activities by looking for discounts online before you travel. Many tourist attractions offer discounts to online shoppers, so be sure to check for discounts before you buy your tickets. Number 7. If you're traveling with kids, consider bringing a stroller. Number 8. Save money on souvenirs by buying them at a local market instead of at the tourist shops. Number 9. If you're traveling to a foreign country, consider getting a local SIM card when you arrive. Number 10. Before you leave home, look up the local customs and traditions of your destination country. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels. Bye.